Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making tutorial video on how to make free intros for 4 different channels: the tech channel, cooking channel, beauty channel, and the lifestyle intro. So we are going to be making video on this 4 channel today. So before we proceed, please, I would like you to do something for me. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. It will go a long way. It's your way of encouraging me and to keep producing content, to keep making content, and to keep uploading video. That's your own way of encouraging me. So we are going to be making different intros today, intros that define your personality, that define your YouTube niche, that define the kind of content that you make on your channel. So for this video, we are going to be making use of 3 different apps: CapCut, Google, and Canva. So right now, let's go to the business of today. Open Canva app, go to the search bar to search for the YouTube intro for tech channel. Many options will come up. Just pick the one that suits you best and make sure it is free. I have a design I want to use in mind, and that is what I am looking for. Okay, I think I found it. Video by Maha Creative. That is what we are going to be working with. So we customize this intro video for our channel. As you can see, the video is giving some techie vibes. Yes, that is the energy that we want. So we are going to change the forget gaming to our channel name. Yes, Maggie T. And the live streaming, we are gonna change it to channel. We are going to edit it to channel. You can as well leave it depends on you. So edit that to channel, then click on element, go to the search bar, search for YouTube subscribe button. So many options will be provided, just pick the one that suits you best. Then we are going to click on element again, search for shape, select a circle frame, click on element again, search for shape, then click on gallery to add a picture of you, drag it to fit into the circle frame, and it will automatically fit into it. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, right. So you can decide to change the background of the video, and this is what we have after the editing. Here is what we have. You can change the background of the video, and you can as well leave it that way. So the next thing is to download, and you can take it to Canva, CapCut rather, to speed up this duration of the video so it won't be too boring. And then you can take it to the YouTube library, to add free music to the video, music of your choice. Yeah, that is that about that. Moving on to intro for food channel. So I have this particular design that I want to use. I am just trying to show you that there are a lot of options that will be made available for you, free options made available for you. You can just choose the one that you want. So I have this particular one that I want to use. Yes, I found it. Video by AJ Studio. So we are going to be changing the name of this fine artist to our own name, Maggie channel, Maggie cooking channel. Of course, should I go into cooking channel? Alright, so we're going to change the picture also to our own, and then the dishes, you can change them or leave them, but I will be changing them to our Nigerian dishes: jollof rice, rice and beans, white rice, and ofada rice. So that's fried rice, and that is what I will be changing in the food. You can just leave it if you want, or if you have a particular food that you cook on your channel, avang or anything that you cook, you can just, and you have the picture, you can just add it, and here is what we have. Then click on add new page. So I downloaded this picture from Google. You can download or generate with AI. So I downloaded from Google, and we are going to drag it to fit into the YouTube aspect ratio. Now that that is done, the next thing is to reduce the transparency to our preference. So for me, I will prefer to go with 33. So I reduced it to 33 and I am okay with that. It depends on you. So now you will go to elements, search for mobile phone frame. Many options will pop up. You just have to select the one that suits you best. Now after that, we are going to our Instagram page to, you know, screen record your Instagram page. If you are into food, you know, you have pictures of food and everything on your Instagram page, just screen record your Instagram page. And this is what I have, my own Instagram page. And then the video may be long, you may just have to trim it to some few seconds. So that's what I am doing right now. Yeah, so I have a perfect duration. So what you need to do is to just drag it to fit into the mobile frame, and it will automatically fit into it. Can you see that? That is what I want exactly. Now go to text, add heading, then you're going to type in follow me on. So I want to add my social media handles, my name on social media handles. I want to ask people to follow me on my social media handles. So you're going to add, then select a font that you will likely want for the text. So the next thing is to go to element again, go to element, search for icon, social media icon that you would like to use, Instagram icon, Facebook icon, Twitter icon, Snapchat, TikTok, anyone that you like to use. Just go there and select, then add to the page. And this is what I have. You can as well change the color of the icon, if you the logo, if you don't like them. And this is what we have. Can you see it? It's beautiful, right? So click on add a heading again. We are going to be typing our channel name, which is Maggie. So your handle's name, or your handle, your name on Instagram, your name on Facebook, your name on Twitter, your name on Snapchat, your name on TikTok. So add it to the page so people can know what to search for if they want to follow you at all on any of the social media handle. So and now we are done with everything. We are done with editing this particular page. Now going to the first page, we want to add some subscribe button, because of course people must subscribe. That's the essence of making video on YouTube. We want that subscriber. So add subscribe button. You know how that is done already. Click on element, go to search bar, search for YouTube subscribe button, and many options will be made available. Just pick the one that you prefer and adjust it to the size that you will prefer. Here is what we have after everything, and guys, it is beautiful. So you can just take it to CapCut to speed up the video, or and you can take it to the YouTube library to get music and add music to your video. Isn't it beautiful, guys? It is, right? Yes, very beautiful. I love it. I am definitely going to be creating a cooking YouTube channel. Are you going to subscribe? Yeah, so we are done with this. Just download your video and yeah, you're done. So moving on, we are going to be editing intro video for beauty channel. If you are into beauty, this is for you. Yeah, so go to the search bar, type YouTube intro for beauty channel. and many options will be made available for you, so you just have to look for the one that suits you best. So I found the one I want to use. Video by Minimalist Beauty YouTube. That I don't know, just take it to customize it to be our own. That is all that matters. So yeah, we are going to change this name. First of all, change the name to our own channel name, which is Maggie. Yeah, so we're going to be changing the name to our channel name. My daily skincare routine by Maggie T is not gonna work, so I am going to stick with Maggie alone, and yeah, it's still okay by me. So this beautiful video, I don't have a video for this, but I will be replacing it with my picture. So if you are into beauty, you can just make a video. You should have a video that you can use for this. So just put your video here. Tips for oily skin. Yeah, I don't know about that. So my daily skincare routine by Maggie. This doesn't stress me at all. Tips for oily skin. So I don't want these tips for oily skin. You can leave it if you want it. If you like it this way, you can leave it, but I will be changing it to a subscribe button instead, and a share and like button, because that is all that matters. Since I am not going to be using a video, if you are into beauty channel, you can just leave it like this. You can use it like this. You can leave it at tips for oily skin, but I prefer to use a subscribe button instead, and a share and like button instead. So I'm still going to delete this like icon because it is not what I want. I found a better one. I found a preferred one, so I am going to be using that instead. I will delete this. I don't know what all this phrase is all about. Okay, so I found a perfect icon. I found a perfect template. Yeah, a perfect template that I can use for this, and yeah, I'm okay with this. If you are not okay with that, if you think there are some things that you want to add to it, then you can just go ahead with that. So I am done with the beauty intro for YouTube. You can just take it to CapCut to speed up the duration, CapCut or InShot to speed up the duration of the video, so it won't be too boring. And you can take it to the YouTube music library to add your music, your preferred music to the video, so it won't be dry. We don't want a dry intro, we want that vibe. Moving on to lifestyle channel, which is going to be the last. So we are going to be making intro video for lifestyle channel now. Lifestyle channel, so many options are made available because it's a popular niche. A lot of people are making this kind of video, so it's a popular one, and I found the one I want to use. This video is made by Giant R, so that is what we are going to be using, and I love this particular, so simple, but it's mighty. I love it. I love this particular one. So we are going to be changing this particular picture, this beautiful picture, to our own. It's about page 1, page 2, page 3, 5 pages, so we are going to be changing all the 5 pictures to our home pictures. Yeah, of course we are fine pictures too, so we are going to be adding those pictures. So I've changed them to our pictures, and now that we are done with that, the next thing is, if you like, you can leave the background like that. If you like, you can just change the background, but for me, I am going to be changing the background to my preferred color, and here is what I have. I changed the background. Then the next thing is to change the name to our channel name. Don't forget to change the name. That's not your name. Change the name, my dear. So yeah, I'm changing the name, Maggie T channel. So there's one thing I like about the design. Subscribe is already there. There is those like button, like and share icon. I love it, but there's no stress. You don't need to stress yourself. And the good thing is, any channel can actually use this particular intro because it is not that niche based. Yeah, So I love this particular one. So I changed all the backgrounds to my taste, to what I will actually prefer, and trust me, it is good. So you can just leave your own like that. If you don't want to change the background, you need to change the name for all the 5 pages. This particular video contains 5 pages, so you need to change the names of all the 5 pages to your name. Yeah, now that I am done with this is what we have here. This video is a long one. You must take it to CapCut to speed up the duration so it won't be unnecessarily too long. Yeah, so and then take it to the YouTube library to add music. We are done, guys. Welcome back, guys. That is that about that. It is as simple as that. If you're looking for a free YouTube intro, that is all you need to do to make your own YouTube, your own channel intro, any channel that whatever your channel is all about. So whatever your niche, you can just you make use of this method to make your YouTube intro. Before you go, please subscribe. Please subscribe, please. Thank you for subscribing, and please like this video so that it can make the YouTube algorithm to make it to push it to more people, and so that more people can watch it. Bye, see you next time.